Hey everyone. So we're in the Khan Academy Algebra 1 class, looking at the first unit today, Algebra Foundations. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the unit test at the end of this, talk through my answers, and hopefully help you guys solve these as well. This is the unit test for Unit 1 in Algebra 1. All right, let's go. All right, so this question says, combine like terms to create an equivalent expression, right? So we're gonna have to combine the 2/5 m minus the 3/5 m. So 2/5 m minus 3/5 m. 2 minus 3 is -1. So it's going to be -1/5. So we're adding and subtracting fifths here. We had 2/5 minus 3/5 is -1/5. And then we're still left with a negative 4/5. This -4/5 you can't combine with the other terms because there's no variable m. So the blue terms are like terms, and then this red term is kind of all by itself because there's no other constants there. So yeah, this should be our answer here. Let's see. So -1/5, we'll do the fraction, m minus 4/5. 4/5. Right. Looks good. Very nice. All right. This one says evaluate 7j plus 5 minus 8k, where j equals 0.5 and k equals 0.25. So we're going to take 0.5 and plug it in for j. And half of 7 is 3.5. 7 times 0.5 is 3.5. And then for the other one here, we have k is 0.25, and we'll replace that here. So what we're going to end up with is we have 3.5 plus 5 plus 5. That's the 5 there. And then minus 8k. And it's 8 times a quarter. A quarter of 8 is 2. So it's going to be minus 2. So what you end up with is 3.5 minus 5 minus 2. 3.5 plus 5 minus 2. 3.5 plus 5 is 8.5. 8.5 minus 2 is 6.5. So we'll put that in for our answer, 6.5. 8.5 minus 2. Very nice. All right, this question says simplify to create an equivalent expression. So it looks like we're going to have some terms with z here, and then we're going to have some terms without z. So let's kind of distribute everything and see where that takes us. So the -4 is getting distributed here. -4 times z is -4z. -4 times 3 is -12. And then it's minus 4 times 5, so minus 20. And -4 times -4 is going to come out positive, so a plus 16z. Because you're multiplying the negative times the negative. So my z terms here, I have -4z and plus 16z. That comes out to plus 12z. So it could be either B, C, or D. And now I just need to find the constant term. So it looks like my constant is -12 minus 20, which is -32. -32. So I'm going to go with answer C here. Very nice. All right, so the next one. Which expressions are equivalent to x plus x plus x plus 2? So all of these x's together are going to give us 3x. So we can call it 3x plus 2. Let's see what we got. So it looks like answer A is exactly that. Answer B is different because the 3x becomes 2x. So we need a 3x there. We need a 3x and a 2. If we're looking at C, you're going to get 3x plus 3 times 2 is 6. So we're looking for 3x plus 2. D is giving us 2x plus 1 plus, actually, I don't know why I drew that line there. It's not distributing. Plus x. So let's say that one more time. So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 1 is 2 plus x. So this gives us 2x plus x is 3x. And then we also have the 2 there. So it looks like this is the same as what we're looking for, 3x plus 2. And obviously 5x is different than that. All right, let's check that out. Looks nice. All right. Oh, this one looks fun. Combine like terms to create an equivalent expression. So this one has a lot of fun fractions. So it looks like we're going to distribute the -3. So it starts off with a 1/7. The fraction is 1/7. And then it's -3 times these fractions. So if I do 3 times 3/7, it's going to be -9/7 because I multiply the top there. 3 times 3 is 9. And then the negative times a negative will come out positive. It's gonna be 3 times 2 is 6/7. So it looks like what we have here is 1/7 minus 9/7n plus 6/7. So in my answer here, I'm gonna keep the negative 9/7n, and then 1/7 plus 6/7 is 7/7. 7/7 is the same as 1. So I have 1/7 plus 6/7 equals 7/7. That's just the numbers here. Equals 7/7, which is 1. So I neglected this. I put this in the answer. But anyway, the 1/7 plus 6/7 equals 1 because 7/7 is the same as 1. So I think that'll give it to us. Let's check it. Very nice. All right. So it says 8j, evaluate 8j minus k plus 14 when j equals 0.25 and k equals 1. So if j equals 0.25, that's a quarter. So a quarter of 8 is 2 minus k. K is 1. So 2 minus 1 plus 14. So 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 14 is 15. So we're going to put in 15. I hope it gives us to us there. Very nice. This question says simplify to create an equivalent expression. So we have a negative k plus 2. So I'm going to distribute the 2 here. So I'm going to start with my negative k. Then I'm going to distribute the 2. So 2 times negative 2k is negative 4k. It's negative 4k. And then 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. So my k's come out to negative k minus 4k is negative 5k. So it looks like I have negative 5k minus 10. That looks like, choose one answer. Answer B. Very nice. All right. This one says, which expressions are equivalent to 2r plus t plus r? So the r's I can combine. That's going to give me 3r plus the t. I got the t. So 3r plus t, which are they equivalent to? A has a term with r and t. That's different than anything we have because we're combining the two variables there. So we don't have that at all. And then this is r plus t. We're looking for 3r plus t. So I don't think that's right. So I'm going to go with none of the above. Very nice. All right. This is the last question. Let's combine like terms to create an equivalent expression. So my like terms are right here. They both have the variable d. If I add these together, I'm going to use a personal little calculator here. So I got 3.26 plus 9.75. It's going to give me 13.01. So it's going to be 13.01 d. Those both add d, and then minus the 2.65. The 2.65 cannot be combined with the other terms because it does not have the variable d. So this is going to be our final answer. All right, very nice. So I hope that helped. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions, comments. Thank you very much. All right, adios.